In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how you add categories for products into the menu. You've got normal menu items like contact us and so on, and then you've got categories, in this case German trains, UK trains and so forth. And the way you do that is to use the add links to menu option, and you manually add the URLs into the menu, and that way you've got the most flexibility of where it sits in the menu and how it appears. And if we edit one of these, you can see the options that you've got. So you've got the name at the top, the URL which you can paste in there, the order that it sits, and which of the menus that it sits within. And if it's got submenus, you'll see those as well. Now to edit the actual categories, you go to the shopping tab and then click on categories, as you always did. And the category name doubles up as the URL, so you don't have to worry about something that looks good here. You just want to put the URL in, and then you choose whether it's in the sub section or not. So trains is the main section, German trains is a subsection. If we edit that, you'll see you've got German trains written at the top, and then it's in the trains section. And again, the category name is used as the URL. So you don't have to have a great long category name, just keep it succinct, because that's what's going to be in the URL in the www. To find the URL of this, you go to any page, and then you click on the internal link facility, and literally browse down in the section until you get to categories and products. And you'll see trains there, and there's German trains there. Now if we click on that, so we'll click on that and you can see there's the URL. So if you highlight that and copy, we can now take that back to the edit pages section, click on the add link to menu and paste it there. So this is where you put the name that you want to appear in the menu. So in this case we'll just put German, and there's the URL, and the order that it appears, the lower the number the higher up it is. Do you want it in a new window or not, and which section or subsection you want it in, and then click on add to menu. When you've done, it will appear in that list at the bottom. If you're ready to publish, click go and it will then appear in the menu. So I'm going to reiterate something on the categories. You simply don't rename these unless you've just done it. So we wouldn't rename it to Australian trains. We do that within the menu. By doing it here, you will actually change the URL of the products and the categories, and therefore break any links in the menu or external links to the site or any static links in your pages. So leave that alone and change it within the menu. Only change it if you've just made the category. So keep this as simple as possible. Imagine you want to give this out, so it's going to be your URL /trains/German trains, and that's a lot easier than this is about German trains / with a load of spaces. So just keep it nice and simple and keep it the same. Don't change it because you'll lose your ranks in the future. If you've gained ranks on Google and suddenly you delete this, then Google will have to start again, and page age is a ranking factor. So very important to get this right from the beginning and leave it as it is once you're done.